and welcome to Classroom Teaching. Students, in last video we have seen about the image formation by convex lens. We have seen practically where the image is formed when the object is placed at infinite distance. As we take the object closer and closer to the lens, how the image is formed there, that we have seen. Today in this video, we are going to see about the image formation by concave lens. Students, again, to draw the ray diagram, we can easily find out the image formed by concave lens. To draw the ray diagram, we require rules. That means we must know in which direction the light ray it travels after refraction. Because it is a concave lens, and concave lens it is also called as diverging lens. That means light ray it diverges, it goes away from one another. So again, three rules are there. Out of these three rules, we will use any two rules. First, a light ray which travels parallel to the principal axis after refraction from the lens, it goes away. But if we trace the direction, if we see the direction of the refraction, if we extend it towards the backward direction, then it appears to go, or it appears to come from first focus F1. So this is the direction after refraction. The light ray it is going in this direction. Only it appears to come from F1. So that is the first rule the first ray that we are going to use. The second ray, if the light ray passes through focus after refraction from the lens, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. So it is same as that we see in convex lens. And the third rule, if the light ray it passes through optical center O, if the light ray it travels through optical center, it passes through it without any deviation. So these are the three rules. We have to use two rules out of these three. And whenever the two rays they meet here, actually they are not meeting. I am saying it again, they are not meeting there. But if we see from this side, if the object is here, and if we see from this side, then these light rays they appear to come from this point, and therefore the image is formed here, which is very small image. So we cannot take that image on the screen. Definitely not. Why? Because it is virtual image. Light rays they are not actually meeting. In case of convex lens, we have seen the practically, or we can practically see where the image is formed. Let us see whether the image that we can take it on screen or not. Look, in this way, if we take the object here, lens is here, we cannot get image anywhere here. The image is here. But if we place the screen here, we cannot take that image on screen. Why we cannot take image? Because the light rays they are not actually meeting, but they appears to come from. So the image is formed between F1 and O. So this is the basic difference between real image and virtual image. Real image can be taken on screen, but the virtual image we cannot take it on screen. So it is very easy to remember in case of concave lens. If the object is placed at infinite distance, definitely the image is formed on first focus f1. What is the size, what is the position, and what is the nature of image? Size, it is highly diminished, that means it is very small or point image. If the object is placed at infinite distance, the image is very small point image. What is the position? Definitely it is formed on first focus. Third point, nature. The image is it is erect. The image is erect, and second most important thing, it is virtual. The image is virtual. If the object is placed at any point between infinity and optical center O, that means if the object is placed anywhere, here, anywhere, if the object is placed anywhere, the image is always formed between F1 and O. That means first focus and optical center O. So it is easy to remember. We can draw the ray diagram for each of the position of the object. Just you can use two rules only. We cannot take the light ray passing through focus because the image is upright here. So two rules that we are using. First is a light ray parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it bends, it goes away, but if we extend it backward, it passes through focus. So this is first rule that we are using, and the second rule is a light ray which passes through optical center O, it goes in the same direction without any deviation. Where these two light rays they are meeting, here the image is formed. So image is somewhere between O and F1 for every position of object. So this is about image formation or image formed by a concave lens. It is very simple, easy and small article that we study today. Tomorrow we will see, in next video we will see the sign conventions, that is Cartesian sign conventions, lens formula, magnification, etc. So for today, for this video we will stop here. Thank you very much.